All right, everybody, just got out of the spray booth here. Finished up spraying my 57 Chevy with the new splash paint. Did some spoon tests first, then got after it with that red. I'm going to tell you what, I'm getting ready to show you the results here. I am really pleased with how things turned out here. Let me show you first. Here's the spoons. Okay, I started out, I set my air compressor at about 21 psi, so the working air pressure is about 17 to 18, somewhere in that area. And boy, that stuff, boy, it's got that eggshell look to it. And I did this in a light and a medium and heavy, and I didn't see any difference. I mean, the heavy, I kind of really laid it on, and it seemed to hold pretty good. It didn't run or anything. So I went with the light to medium coats. I think I gave it 3 coats. 2 of the coats were light, and the last one was about a medium. So, man, yeah, this splash paint, man, it's something. It's really nice. Let's take a look at it here, boys. Look at this. Boy, don't that pretty? Look at that. Man, this thing came out really nice. Got that eggshell look to it. Let me get it up here underneath the light so you guys can really see this. I mean, it just came out really nice. I'm really satisfied with it. Man, it just came out nice. It laid down really nice. Didn't have any issues with it. The good thing about this paint is it's shake, load, and spray. That's what they say on their website. Shake, load, and spray. And man, it just came out nice. Let's look at the hood here. I brought the hood over here too. I didn't want to bring out too many pieces, but check out the hood. Look at that. Look at that. That just looks fantastic. I can't wait to get some clear on this. I've got some of the splash paint clear. I think it's a 2K clear. I may use that on here. Gosh, this just came out really nice. I'm just really tickled to death with how it came out. I just want to come on here and show you guys, because I got to tell you, so far, so good. And I'm going to say this is probably best paint job I've done so far. And I'm going to have to give Splash Paints a thumbs up on this one. Man, it just looks good. I used about 3/4 of that bottle. I was beginning to think when I was painting I wasn't going to have enough, but I only gave it 3 coats, so turned out pretty good. So for me, the way I paint, as much as I painted, it looks like one bottle is going to do one model and maybe some touch up if you need it later on, a little extra, and that's fine. But man, I tell you what, there didn't seem to be any problems with the Tamiya white surface primer that I had on there. The paint went over it really well. There was no reactions. Everything looks good. Daggone, I'm just thrilled to death with how this paint job turned out. Guys, so far, I'm a happy camper on this one. All right, guys, I just want to come on here and do a little video and give an update on this new splash paint that I'm trying. That's that torch red. Man, it just looks awesome. Can't wait to get the clear on it. All right, I'm done.